This is a Napoleon electronic valve gas fireplace. It is direct vent. The glass is currently off. It has a double wall air chamber, exhaust going up the middle, fresh air coming down the outside. Fresh air will enter the combustion box through here and through the Venturi adjustment down in the firebox floor. It has an electronic valve. It is not a millivolt valve like the other Napoleon gas insert we looked at. So we have lots of wires, and we have the telltale sign of an electronic valve. We have a very complex digital control box over here into which everything plugs in. This unit can be run without electricity with 4 AA batteries. We are going to look specifically at the inlet and outlet ports and get a gas pressure reading. In order to take a gas pressure reading on a gas fireplace, you have to have a gas pressure test kit. This is what comes in the Midtown Chimney gas diagnostic kit. So what we're going to do first is open up the port, and if we look closely we can see this is the inlet and this is the outlet port, and they have a nice cast aluminum housing that we snap our hose over. So first we loosen it up, and then we snap our hose over the port, and if you're able to see, it just jumped up to about 10 to 11 inches on the water column. This is not a PSI reading, pounds per square inch. This is inches on the water column. It's how we read gas pressure. So we have more than enough. The gray bar here and the gray bar here is what indicates the normal range for a gas fireplace. We're going to go ahead and seal this guy up, and then we're going to turn the unit on to take the outlet reading. The inlet reading is this tube coming in, the static pressure. The outlet reading is representative of the fuel line that's going up to the main burner. So I'm going to reach up, turn the unit on. Because it's an electronic system, it's going to click, 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 and then it's going to ignite the pilot first. There we go. Then it will sense the heat and turn the main burner on. Those are the 2 steps of an electronic valve. Okay, now we're going to loosen up the screw down here, and we're going to take an outlet reading to see what kind of pressure is being supplied, and usually it's less. And sure enough, we are running at about let's see, about 2 to 3 inches on the water column, where that is completely off, and we were up at 11 for inlet. So we're a little on the low on the supply side on this particular unit, but the unit's functioning properly. So if you're on the phone with tech support and they say, have you taken your inlet and outlet pressure readings? That's really all there is to it. Just loosen the screw, snap your hose over it, take your reading. Just remember, when you do outlet pressure, you have to have the main burner on in order to get a reading. And that's a pressure reading.